current anchorage, it's now here in Petit Nevis. So we can see Backway down there, and we are anchored right here. Where is this anchor on the chart? So it marks on the chart where is the best way for us to anchor, the best holding and stuff. So we're gonna come leeward of this Isle Quatre, down the way here, and this was, we're gonna use the shelter of the island to set the sails up. Today we have around like average 20 knots of wind coming on from northeast, 71 degrees more or less. Changed a little bit. Then we're gonna come all the way down here and sailing, and we're gonna pass in between this island, Myro and Catholic Island. It's called Western Channel, and we're gonna go straight out to Union Island, and then we're gonna have to come all around the reef and set the anchor in here. That's our anchorage for tonight in Happy Island.
We would take our sails down before we went around the reef just to be safe.
Yeah, for sure we will. Yeah, we're gonna probably take out the sails after passing the canal, the Western Channel. We're gonna use this rope, this halyard, to raise the sail up. I will put the boat facing against the wind, so the sail will become straight in the middle, but sometimes I just miss a little bit here and there, so I will need you girls to correct me and say like, Juliana, port side or starboard side. Okay, gotta make sure that
so that you go port side or starboard.
Yeah, I know, we go. Yeah, you gotta tell me which direction I have to take.
Need to go.
Yeah. And then you have always to keep an eye on all the lazy jack lines in here, so the sail has to come right in the middle. Don't do.
We're gonna put it all the way up.
Don't do. No, we're gonna have a reef, so the sail will not be like full raised because it's windy today. So we don't need like full sails for that much wind. Never touch this area. Just comes here straight away, and then leave it.
Always keep a hand on.
Yeah, not too close. Okay, always here, and then you control like slower, faster. And I think that's all. Let's go.
The reef is already in it?
Already there. I've been told off now just because I was not wearing shoes. Then they were made for that. Now I get like thousands of sea urchins spikes in my feet, and it hurts and it's annoying. But I think I'll take this, the last one. Ouch. What are the girls doing downstairs? Look at them, yeah. They're eating, look. Cheese and crackers with lobster pasta? Like to want some cracker? Naughty girl. She's been biting people's feet when they are walking inside of the boat. Ruh-roh? Yeah. Just to turn on the engine, check to see if it's in neutral. And then here in the panels, I quickly showed you yesterday. Then we have like the engine connection here, which is off. Then I press it down, and this is the starting button. Once again, check on the gauges to see the temperature all the time when we are navigating, to see if everything's fine. And yeah, I think it's time to put the anchor up.
Woohoo! Juliana's going to be in the back in control of the boat, so she'll, if the anchor's going this way, then we have some hand signals that we do. So if the anchor's this way, I'm mimicking where the anchor is, so she'll know to go towards it, and that way it will be easier to pull it up. So right now we have a snubber on it, which takes the pressure off of the winch when we're at anchor. So we'll take that off first. I just have to pull it up a little bit and get the hook off. The hook fell off, so we'll be able to pull it out. I want to make sure it's not tangled up in that chain, so just on the very front.
Right.
Just with the hand signal, you can do it. She'll be able to see your arm. And just show her that it's that way. Watch your feet.
Yeah.
Wait till So we're up?
Yeah.
Should be good. There we go.
There we go.
And then back further and push it up.
Good.
That's good. You just put it back in the locker and the anchor is up. Yeah,
Wait a little. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, that's good.
That's it. Okay, so now from the top. Yeah, good.
3 times?
Yeah,
Careful with your hand.
yeah. Be careful with your hand. Take the winch handle
Where is it?
that way. It's not. Doesn't matter. It could be the same one. And then okay, going up.
Oh,
Go for it.
Take a bite of it.
So our lure. Me and Ahita and Nojet
I need to see how this one works.
bless us and give us a nice meal because we need meat. We're starving.
How does this fishing pole work?
What? Yeah, let's put some good vibes on it.
okay, so what our intentions are to catch a nice big fish that we're going to use all of it. So
Yeah.
we're not going to make it something for no reason. We're going to love it and we're going to enjoy
Eat
it.
it.
We're going to eat it.
We're
On
gonna
the
eat
count
it.
of 3, we'll 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna catch like 3.
And we don't need 3.
Well, then we'll sell them or trade them for beer.
That's not what we promised to the goddess right now. So we gotta stick to
Just
that.
for the first one.
Oh yeah, true.